Ladies and gentlemen, abamina bachara, I'm repeating W because I found some words that missed them out, and I'm giving it to you as a bonus because we have this bra, chwa, mwa, nwa, nywa, etc. We have embra, that's a dog. Have ebinyobwa, that is G-nuts. I have genchi, that is why. Why have you beaten me? I have genchi wandera. Hokata hamate. Omwana, that's a baby or a child. Omwana wanje, my child. Then we have omwerere. This is so botanical. Omwerere, those who know it are those who are pure. Then we have omwenda, that's a cross. We have okunywa, to drink. Ninyenda kunywa, I want to drink. We have omnwa, mouth. Echokunywa, that's a drink. Then we have enwa, that's a wasp. Then we have emnwa, that is a mouth in plural. Omnwa, emnwa. Okunywejera, that is to kiss. Oh my God. Emichwe, those are habits. Omuchwe, that is a habit. Chwe, omuchwe. We have, this is emichwe mirunji, that is good habits. Emichwe mibi, that is bad habits. If you want to say you have good habits, you say oine michwe mirunji. You have good habits. Toine michwe mirunji, you don't have good habits. Then we have ya in yes. We have cha, mya, sya, skya, etc. We have okuyamba, to help. Okuyamba, to help. If you want to tell a person that help me, you say nyamba. Nyabura we nyamba. Please help me. Nyabura we nyamba. Nyabura we means please. Okweyerera. Okweyerera, that is to sweep. Chai, that is tea. We have chai mate, that is milk tea. Chai mukaru, that is dry tea. Ebei, that's a price. Kumanyisa, that is to mean or to inform. If you want to say it means, nichumanyisa. Kuyomba, shout. Abayombi, that's noise makers. If it is one, it is omuyombi. Echiyungu, that's the kitchen. And we got our last for today, which is zero. We have kuzana, that is to play. Zenjerera, that is dizziness. When you feel dizzy, nazenjerera, and we call that thing or zenjerera. If you are sick, maybe you are very weak, or you know zenjerera. Okuchinga, that is to close, because I was closing my windows and somebody was teaching asked me what is that. I said okuchinga, close amadirisa. Then izina, zina, izina, name. If there are many, amazina. If you put I, it is amazina. Those are dance strokes. So, amazina gawe ori oha. What is your name? Amazina nobanyeta Mhozi Dennis. Amizi, amazing. That is water. Amashanyarazi. That is electricity. Amazima. That is truth. Okuzoka. That is to rise from the dead. Yesu akazoka. That is Jesus rose from the dead. Yesu akazoka. Okuzunda. That is to rot. Okujunda. Then we have emiyembe ezunzire. Mangoes are rotten. That's it for today. Again, please subscribe to my channel and like it. We're gonna learn Runyankole for this meantime. Me and you, we're gonna see we learn Runyankole Ruchiga. I remain yours, Mhozi Dennis Kafaras.